Hello children. Today our topic is multiplication with 11. If you want to multiply with 11 with any number, it is a very easy trick in a Vedic maths. So we will go with an example so you can understand very nicely. आप बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ पाओ, इसलिए हम एग्जाम्पल से जाएंगे. द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 23 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11. Okay, now what you have to do, the rule of this is you have to add both the figure 3 plus 2, and after that I will go step by step. First of all, you have to write down first figure is 2. Second step is you have to leave the space and write down the another figure 3. Right, now you have to add both the figure. 3 plus 2 is 5, so you have to write down 5 here. Understand? You got it? Now we'll go for the another example. 40 42 multiply by 11. Now your first step will be number 4. You have to write down number 4 here. Okay, second step is you have to leave the space and write down second figure is number 2. Second figure is number 2. Second figure is number 2. નથી કરવાનું. So second figure is number 2. What you have to do is 4 plus 2 is, who can tell me 4 plus 2 is 6. So your answer is 462. 462 is your answer. Now again we go further, is 53. Now you have to do it. Okay, what is the first step? Who will tell me what is the first step? First step is you have to write down 5 here. Second step is you have to leave the space, and the third step is you have to write down the second figure will be here. Okay, now you have to add both the figure. 5 plus 3 is, who will tell me 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, so the answer is 583. Now we'll go for the last example, is 71 multiply by 11. Okay, what is the first step? First step is you have to write down first figure here. You have to make some space and then write down the second figure. Second figure is 1. You have to add 7 plus 1 is 8. Right? Okay, so your answer is 781. 71 multiplied by 11 is 781. Now we will go for the further example, and it will come with the carry forward number. So you have to observe and follow it very nicely, so you can understand very nicely. So try for this. We will go for the carry forward number. Okay, now the carry forward number for this 38 multiply by 11. Okay, now what is the first step? First step is you have to write down the first figure here. Second step is you have to leave the space, and the third step is you have to write down second figure, that is 8. Okay, now you have to multiply, you have to add both the figure. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, now this is not an answer. For that you have to write down 8, then 1, and carry forward 1 is here, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer will be 4, 1, 8. Okay. Again we will go for carry forward number is 49. Okay. Multiply by 11. What is the first step? First step is you have to write down first figure. Now second step is you have to leave the space and write down the second figure. Second figure is 9. Okay. Second figure is 9. Okay. Now you have to add both the figure. 9 plus 4 is 13. So what will be the answer? You have to write down 9 plus 3 plus carry forward number will be come here. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. The another figure is 77. Multiply by 11. Okay. So first step is you have to write down 7, keep some space, then again 7, then you have to add both the figure. 7 plus 7 is 14. So the final answer is you have to write down 7 here, then 4 here, and add 1 in the first figure. First figure is 7 plus 1 is 8. So your answer is 847. Okay. We will go for more examples so your doubt will be clear and you follow it very nicely, and after that we will go it with mental counting also. Now the that is 7 multiply by 11. So what is the first step is you have to write down 3 here. Second step is you have to leave the space, and the third step is you have to write down 7 here. Now you have to add both the figure. 7 plus 3 is 10. But for that this is with a carry forward number. So what you will do, you have to write down 7 here, 0 here, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer will be 407. That way 64 multiply by 11. Same. This is the same type of example. Write down 6. First step is 6. Leave some space and write down the last figure is 4. Now you have to add both the figure. 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is with a carry forward number. So you have to write down 4 here, then 0 here, and carry forward number will go here. So 6 plus 1 is 7. This is your answer. Okay. Now you have to do it mentally. So I am giving you 2-3 examples so you can do it easily and you will get some practice also. Okay. So the first number is 26 multiplied by 11. Give the answer. Who will give the answer? 6 plus 2 is 8. 2, 8, 6. This is the answer. Second, 51 multiply by 11. Okay. Now who will give the answer? Everybody is knowing, na? You have to plus these both the figures. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5, 6 and 1 again. 62 multiply by 11. Now you have to do by yourself. Who will tell me? Very good. 6 is the one. The plus is 6 plus 2 is 8. And the last figure will be 2. Last figure will be 2. So this is the answer. So now we will practice for the carry forward number. Okay. $78 multiply by 11. Okay. Now what is this? You have to plus both the figure. Who will tell me the 7 plus 8? 15. Okay. So first of all you have to write down this figure 8. 15's one figure is, right hand side figure is 5 and you have to add 1 in this 7. So your answer will be 8, 5, 8. 8, 5, 8. Another example. 94 multiply by 11. Now what we'll do? You have to add both the figure. 9 plus 4 is, who will tell me? 9 plus 4 is 13. So first of all you have to write down number 4 here, 13 is 3 here, carry forward number is 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Another. 69 multiply by 11. Okay. 69 multiply by 11. So 9 plus 6 is, who will tell me? 9 plus 6 is 15. So first of all you have to write down 9. 9 plus 6 is 15, figure 5, and carry forward number you have to add in 6. So 7, 5, 9 is the answer of the 69 multiply by 11. So I explained it very deeply. So you practice, first of all you have to practice with a pen and paper, and after that do it mentally. If you have any queries, my number is in my description, so call me. And secondly, if you like it, so share it and subscribe it. So thank you very much.